In this video, we're going to talk about how to add and subtract three fractions. Let's start with an example. 4 over 5 plus 2/3 minus 7 over 10. Since 5, 3, and 10 are clearly not the same numbers, we need to make them the same. And how we can do that is to create equivalent fractions for all of them by finding the least common multiple. So one way we can find the least common multiple is to list out a ton of multiples of 5, 3, and 10 and encircle the smallest multiple found in each list. But this can start taking forever, especially once you have 3 or more fractions. But there is a faster way we can do this. And first, only list out the multiples of the largest denominator, 10. So let's first list out a bunch of multiples one by one of 10 until we land on a multiple that can be divided by both 5 and 3. So first up, we have the multiple of 10, since 10 is 1 times 10. Now, can 10 be divided by 5? Yes, and that's great. How about 3? Can 10 be divided by 3? No. So let's move on to the next multiple of 10, which is 20. Now, can 20 divided by 5? Yes. Can 20 divided by 3? Nope again. So let's move on to the next multiple, which is 30. Now, can 30 divided by 5? Yes. Can 30 divided by 3? Also yes. So 30 will be our least common multiple, and that will also be our new denominator. So let's go ahead and write our new equivalent fractions with a denominator of 30. Next up, we need to figure out the top numbers of our equivalent fractions. So starting with 4 over 5. How many times does 5 fit into 30? 6 times, because 5 times 6 will be equal to 30. So we will multiply the top and bottom by 6. So 4 times 6 will be equal to 24. Let's move to the next one. How many times 3 fits into 30? 10 times, because 3 times 10 will be equal to 30. So let's multiply the top and bottom by 10. And 2 times 10 will be equal to 20. And the last fraction over here, how many times 10 does fit into 30? 3 times, because 10 times 3 will be equal to 30. So let's multiply the top and bottom of that by 3. So 7 times 3 will be equal to 21. Now multiplying out our new equivalent fractions, 4 over 5 up here becomes 24 over 30, 2 over 3 becomes 20 over 30, and 7 over 10 will become 21 over 30. And now we have a problem where all the denominators are the same, so we can simply add and subtract the top numbers. So this becomes 24 plus 20 minus 21 over the least common multiple of 30. So 24 plus 20 will be equal to 44, and 44 minus 21 will be 23. So the numerator of our answer will be 23, and our answer is 23 over 30. And since 23 and 30 don't share any common factors besides 1, we know that our answer is in its simplest form and we don't have to simplify anything.